Market is going against our predictions. Some predictors predict that BTC will reach up to $47,000 this week. But now the price of one BTC is only and only $39,143. Sell short is going trending, but with lack of tools and knowledge of crypto market, most of the traders at this time didn't take good advantage. So in this video, I will share a platform which will give us profit even if you are taking the entry in crypto market today. You can do margin trading. Stay tuned with us. This will be huge. The PrimeXbt is one of the best exchange and it's working well. You can trade on this exchange. Number of options are available. But I will show you a tutorial by which you can better understand that how you can work on PrimeXbt exchange. In our previous video, we discussed about the trading tools, long and short trading, Bitcoin leverage, cryptocurrency price charts, Forex and index price charts, commodity price charts, and we mainly focused on one thing, and that is copy trading. If you know that one thing, that what is copy trading all about, in the copy trading you have the chance to copy the entire trade framework of the best traders which are available on the PrimeXbt. But for example, if you are taking the entry in crypto market right now, then how you will get a good profit? That is a big thing. Not even a single exchange on entire crypto market is giving you this space that is given by the PrimeXbt, and that is co-vesting. Now, what is co-vesting all about? Basically, the co-vesting enables the users to follow any of the available strategies listed on the global rating system. The followers select a safe and a profitable strategy to follow and add the equity in just a few clicks. I will show you the clicks that how you can start your first earnings in crypto only by using this tool, and that is co-vesting. First of all, I will share the link in the description of this video. So simply you can sign up just by clicking on this icon, and then you have to enter your email address, your password, and then they are going to send you an email, confirmation email. Just confirm that email and then you will be able to log in on PrimeXbt, and also you can use the entire features of this entire platform. So I invested about $250 or $300, I think. So right now I get the profit about $66. So how I get the profit, that is a big thing, because the co-vesting is a new feature and you will make huge money with the help of co-vesting. Now I'm going to click on this icon, and that is co-vesting. On co-vesting, I'll be able to see number of big traders like Etherman. He already have more than 27 BTC. The X-Man, he has about 18 BTC at this time. You have the chance to trade with them. How you can trade with them, that is a big question. Simply you have to click on this icon, and that is follow. When you are going to click on the follow icon, right now I don't have as much BTC, but you can only start it with 0.001 BTC, and that is not as much big amount, because the platform lets the followers follow several strategies at once to build a profit generating portfolio of the professional traders. Strategy managers trade with the power of their own equity combined with the added equity invested by the followers, bolstering ROI. That is a huge thing of this exchange, PrimeXbt. So for example, you are going to add 0.001 over here, then you have to confirm it, and then you will be able to follow them. When you are going to follow them, you don't have to do anything. Just sit and watch some movies on Netflix, and you will be able to make the money on this platform. You don't have to worry even the BTC is going up or down. That is not a case in this scenario. You can also see some more options, like you have the chance to trade in BTC, or you can even use your USDT, Ethereum, and even I also saw some options of USDC. Here you can see you will get all the options, and the best part, the indicators and the filters will show you the entire scenario. For example, now I'm going that right now this guy got plus 0.02%, and even if we are going it for today, this guy, the quality crypto, got about 118%. So that is a huge thing. For example, if you are going to invest only and only $100 on this platform, every day you will make at least $50 to $60. That is a great thing, and that is the best thing of this platform. So how you can deposit anything on this platform? Simply you have to make your account, and after making your account, simply log in to PrimeXbt and then click on this icon, deposit icon, and deposit some amount of BTC. After depositing that amount, you have to do one more thing. You just have to click on the questing icon, and then you will see all the strategies of these guys. Just choose the best one which you think that he or she, basically the trader, will give you some good profit, or you just have to follow them, and after following them you will definitely make some good amount of money. And you can always check your own questing that how much earning you are getting. Now I will show you my own earnings, that how much I earned already. So here you can see basically the equity is to $60, and the total profit till now is about $57. And in Ethereum I got, okay, wait a minute, yes, so in Ethereum I got about $10. So you can easily take your profit at any time. That is also a huge thing. Basically they are going to give you like this, that the 20% is of the PrimeXbt, 20% of that trader to whom you are following, and then the remaining 60% is yours. Here you can see the $57 I already got from them. So you can easily withdraw that. That is also a great thing, that at any time you will be able to take your profit out from it. So overall this is a huge tool, and as per my own idea, because if we are going to check one more thing on the questing, one more thing, I think, yes. So here you can see the Etherman, he is working from last 61 days. The app guy is working from more than 282 days. So if you are not going to withdraw your money, so definitely you will make some good profit. Already 937 followers are there for the Etherman, and for the app about 1138 followers. So you can easily choose your own guy for the trading on the questing, and this function is only and only available on this platform PrimeXbt. This video, I hope it will work for you, and it is one of the best thing for you to take the entry in crypto market and do trade on the PrimeXbt. You will get my referral link. Kindly subscribe and kindly log in your account and make a new account from my referrals, so I will also get some good amount from this exchange. Thanks a lot.